I'm Colin Smith from PhotoshopCafe.com, and today I'm trying out the brand new e-bike from Urtopia. This is the Joy Ultra. So this is from a company called Urtopia who make e-bikes. I've reviewed some of theirs in the past, and they have over 200,000 members in the US and 750 dealers. And this bike was given to me from Urtopia. All thoughts and opinions are completely my own. I'm not receiving any money for making this video. As you can see, this is a fun bike. It's a fat tire bike, which means it can go a lot of different places. It's great here in Southern California for going places like the beach, can handle the sand, the mud, but can also handle the roads. And you can use this for commuting or just riding around and having fun. And Urtopia call themselves the carbon fiber experts, and that's because all the e-bikes are made out of carbon fiber. If you look at this particular bike here, this is one-piece carbon fiber, including the front forks, the frame, all the way up here. The back, it's one piece made out of Toray carbon fiber, which is racing grade carbon fiber, the same type they use in F1. So what the advantages of this is, number one, it's very lightweight. So this one is 42 pounds. So for an e-bike, that's really light. And that's also considering I've also got the battery on here as well. And carbon fiber is actually 50% lighter than aluminum, but it's actually more rigid and stronger. And another cool thing about it is you can mold it into different shapes, which you couldn't do with metal. If you look at this, like look at this beautiful lines and shape on here, you notice on here there's no welts. So when you see a bike made out of metal, where these different parts meet, you're gonna see where they welded it, and you're gonna see those welts there. So there's no seams here, it's seamless. So this has the 20-inch wheels with nice grippy tires. And with the smaller wheels, it makes it a little bit more nimble. It's very maneuverable. And the other thing about it is it's very, very zippy. So this has 8-speed gearing from Shimano, but the motor is a 750 watt motor, which can either be torque assist. So as you start to pedal, it kicks in and there's no delay. It's instant. It just grabs it right away. You've got multiple speeds. We'll talk about that in a second. But the other thing is it also has a thumb throttle. And so if you prefer to just use the throttle, we've got that option right there. And as far as brakes, we've got front and rear hydraulic disc brakes by Tektro. And also when you grab these brakes, it automatically cuts the motor, so the motor is not fighting with the brakes. And the other thing that's kind of neat is when you hit these brakes, it actually has a brake light on here. And of course, it also comes with a front light. The Joy Ultra also comes with the kickstand, which is just mounted right on here and enables us to just pop it right up. And for the battery, we have a UL certified Samsung lithium-ion battery, which can be removed just by using the key, which I didn't bring with me, but it just pops out here. So for easy charging, we can just pop that out, carry it around. There's a keyhole over this side here. So the handlebars can be adjusted upright, or they can be tilted forward for a more aggressive ride. As far as the seat here, the saddle, we can just pop this open here, and this is a really easily adjustable saddle. And it's a nice padded saddle. Then for electronics, we have an LCD display right here. We can just hit the power button, which will turn it on and off. And if a display, it shows the time, it shows our speed. By the way, the top speed is 25 miles an hour, and this has a 70-mile range. So we can go in here and we can adjust this top speed. So it comes out of the factory with 20 miles an hour, and we can adjust it to 25. Or if you're in some trails and things are getting a little bit more hairy, you can definitely drop down that speed to a more comfortable speed if you want. Plus we've got the power assist here. We can start with none, where it's just pure pedal power. And then we can go up to the first one, which is Eco. And then Eco is going to give you a good workout. You're still going to be pedaling, but it's going to give you a little bit of a boost. It's going to make it easier in headwinds, going up hills and different things like that. But you're going to be getting a nice workout. The next one is we've got the Tour mode. So that's more of a kind of a compromise. Then we've got Boost, where it's now starting to get more into the boost. And you're still going to be pedaling. You're going to feel it. But then when we go into the Turbo mode, at this point here, all you got to do is just touch the pedals, and then the torque assist is just going to kick in. So you're basically doing no work at all. It's going to do it all for you. And once again, you can use the throttle if you would like. The other display it shows on here, it shows the battery life. And then it shows on either side here, it shows how much pedal boost you're getting versus how much electric you're using. One of the things I like about this is you're getting a very premium bike here for a reasonable price. That's one of the things Urtopia is known for. So I've been riding this for a few days now, and this is a fun ride. It definitely lives up to its name, the Joy. As you may or may not know, I've already reviewed a couple of the Urtopia bikes before, and I was very, very excited when they gave me the opportunity to review the Joy here, because I got to take this for a little bit of a spin in Newport, and I really enjoyed it, no pun intended, but I just love the fat tire, just the easy access. It's just a really easy, just kind of a cruiser bike. I mean, yeah, it's got some pep. But one of the things I do want to mention, if you're a bit more serious and maybe you're using this as a commuting bike, it can definitely do that. With the rack here that comes standard on the Ultra, this uses a MIC or MIK mounting system. And I happen to have one of the bags right here. But the cool thing about it is you just kind of put it in there, pull down, and now it's mounted. If you want to change this out for different types of bags, baskets, boxes, whatever, you can just pop everything on here. And so for this shoot I'm doing today, and so everything was in the saddlebag here, so I didn't have to carry anything on my back or move anything around with me. I can just kind of snap it on here. And then when you're done, it's so easy. You just push in, lift, and that's how easy it is to take that bag on and off. Super easy. All right, having said all that, the most important thing in a bike is how does it ride? Let's go. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Drop a comment, let me know your thoughts, and if you're new, welcome to the cafe. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and you won't miss any of my tutorials. And until next time, I'll see you at the cafe.